Meaning of fuel.
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 Fuel. Fuel refers to any material that can be used to produce heat or energy through combustion or other means. Common types of fuel include gasoline, diesel, coal, natural gas, and renewable sources such as wind and solar power. The use of these fuels has a significant impact on the environment, contributing to air pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, and climate change. However, advancements in technology have led to the development of cleaner and more sustainable fuels, which will play a crucial role in the future of energy production and environmental protection.